आपण अल्पनाला ऐकणार आहोत. एक खूप वेगळा प्रवास आहे. कदाचित नवीन इथे आलेल्या लोकांना वाटत असेल की कार्यक्रम लांबतोय, पण हा कार्यक्रम मुळीच लांबलेला नाही. हा कार्यक्रम जसा सुरू आहे तसाच योग्य सुरू आहे. लोक वर्षभर इतक्या अनंत अडचणींवर मात करून यश मिळवतात आणि आपल्याला ते फक्त बसून ऐकायचं आहे. नॉट अ बिग डील. त्याच्या या अल्पना काम. थँक्यू. आ जाइए. अल्पनाला टाळ्यांवरून समजतं की समोर किती लोक आलेले आहेत आणि बाहेर किती लोक बसलेले आहेत. अल्पना हिंदी आणि इंग्लिश मधून बोलेल. अल्पना, आपको हॉल में 1000 लोग और हॉल के बाहर 400 लोग सुन रहे हैं और इसके बाद आपको कम से कम 1 लाख लोग सुनेंगे. आपल्यासाठी अल्पना.
थैंक यू सर. एंड सलाम मनोबल. मनोबल ना सिर्फ इंस्टीट्यूट और उसकी टीम, बल्कि मनोबल आप सभी के एस्पिरेशंस, अचीवमेंट्स और कुछ कर गुजरने को. सलाम मनोबल. यहाँ उपस्थित सभी मान्यवर और मेरे मित्रों को नमस्कार. मैंने सुना है दीप स्तंभ और मनोबल के स्टूडेंट्स काफ़ी एनर्जेटिक हैं. नमस्कार. थैंक यू. First things first, I would like to thank Manobal, I would like to thank Deep Stamb for felicitating me on my success in the UPSC exam. I'm feeling deeply honored as well as humbled at the same time. And I really will strive to live up to these words of appreciation throughout my life. Thank you, sir. मुझे यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे कहा गया है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ की स्टोरी आप सबके साथ शेयर करूँ. आई एम वेरी प्लीज टू डू दैट. मेरी लाइफ की स्टोरी इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड 3 वर्ड्स, 3 की वर्ड्स इन माई लाइफ. दोज आर फेथ, ब्लेसिंग्स एंड ड्रीम. मुझे इस चीज़ का रियलाइजेशन हुआ सम 15 साल पहले, when all of a sudden, due to some medical problem, I lost my 100% vision. I would like to take you through the story of my life very briefly, just to share the journey of ordeal, the journey of endeavor that we all have been going through. When I was in 10th standard, I was a normal child. I was very active, I was very academically very strong, and I was very active in extracurricular activities, music, dance and everything. अचानक एक दिन मेरे सर में कुछ दर्द हुआ, मुझे एडमिट किया गया और अगले दिन सुबह मुझे पता चला कि मैं अब इस दुनिया में कुछ नहीं देख सकती. I lost all my vision just overnight in a flash of moment. Things stopped for us for a while. But then भगवान ने ही वो साहस दिया, भगवान ने ही वो कृपा की हमारे ऊपर. We had 2 choices before us. हमारे सामने 2 choices थे. या तो हम लाइफ में इस हैपनिंग को, इस इंसिडेंट को लेके हार मान के बैठ जाते, और या फिर हम इसे ग्रेसफुली एक्सेप्ट करके लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते और अचीवमेंट्स को अचीव करते. मैंने और मेरे परिवार ने दूसरा रास्ता चुना. वी डिसाइडेड टू मूव ऑन इन लाइफ with all that God has given us, with all that destiny has given us. We had that hope, we had that faith that whatever has happened for some purpose. उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई रीज़न है, उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई मकसद है. We accepted it very gratefully, gracefully and moved on. I completed my studies without any gap. It was just that पढ़ाई का तरीका कुछ अलग हो गया था, जीने का अंदाज थोड़ा चेंज हो गया था. Other things were just the same. I always wanted to be very academically bright, achieve very high accolades and do something big in life. वो जो ड्रीम था वो कहीं डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुआ. I completed my studies, 10th, 12th with flying colors. I chose commerce for my graduation. The reason just behind that, it was a very small reason, and that was that I wanted to do something yet challenging. I scored 98 in accounts in my 12th board, and I fared really well in commerce. And I feel that winning over these small challenges in your journey really make you strong. जब मैं अपना कॉमर्स परस्यू कर रही थी उसी समय another dream started taking shape in my heart, which was to do MBA. An MBA, that too from one of the top and most prestigious institutes in this country. मैंने CAT के लिए preparation start किया. And in my first attempt, I made it through. I got selected in all the IIMs except IIM Ahmedabad. That kind of achievement gives you strength. It takes you inside. You discover yourself through these challenges. Ultimately, I completed my MBA, and that too, once again from my chosen field. I did it in human relations, human resource management. Because I love talking to people, I love working with people, and I'm really always motivated to know what's going on in their heart, what's keeping them so motivated and energetic. So I chose HR and continued my study in that. I worked with a corporate firm for 2 years in that field, and my career, short stint of career in a multinational was again very motivating and self-discovering for me. I made many small and big achievements during that small stint, and I was actually awarded with the best fresher in that company, and I also was given the title of the most charming face of the HR. So these motivations, these achievements, as I just said, always keep you motivated, always keep you energetic, and always keep you upbeat. So keep dreaming. I always believe in dream, and they make your life worth living. After having completed 2 years of my corporate experience, another dream started taking shape in my heart, as I said. That was to get into civil services now. Because I had that feeling that I can grow, somehow I can grow and excel in the field of administration, people management, and all those fields which require emotional and intellectual strength. So I started preparing, I left my job and I started preparing for UPSC. Now before we move on to that journey of UPSC, just a small word about dreams again. Chasing dreams is really very simple. They just call for 2 words. They just demand 2 things from you: your heart and your soul. And I decided to give this dream of pursuing UPSC and getting into civil services all that it takes. I committed myself to it and started the journey. The journey has just begun, and it's really a beautiful journey. UPSC के लिए प्रिपेयर करने का डिसीजन और उसके लिए खुद को कमिट करने का प्रॉमिस, honestly, if these 2 things are done, half the battle is won. The other half again is very simple again, as I say. There are 3 things which we need to be aware of: planning, implementing it, and regularly evaluating it. I did that. I gave enough time for planning, getting the resources, making my strategy, and taking care of all the small things that I will be needing throughout this journey. एक बार प्लान पूरा सेट होने के बाद, स्ट्रैटेजी पूरी सेट होने के बाद, I started following it rigorously with full commitment and with full dedication, with full self-discipline. And finally, from time to time, I kept evaluating myself also. In the form of test series, in the form of feedback from my seniors, from my friends, peers, and like that. And kept on improving on my weaknesses. By God's grace, in my first attempt, I gave this gift of, getting selected into civil services exactly on the day of my father's retirement. So that was a very beautiful moment for me personally. Now again, जैसे मैंने शुरू में कहा था कि मेरी लाइफ के 3 कीवर्ड्स हैं, faith, blessings and dreams. अभी तक की ये जो जर्नी मैंने आप सबके साथ शेयर की, मैं उसको इन 3 वर्ड्स में फिर से एक बार गुथ के आपके सामने रखना चाहती हूँ. I have a very simple definition of faith. Anything that happens, happens for some good, and anything that has happened for some good, and finally whatever will happen for some good. That is the definition of my faith. And that belief gives me the strength to dream. That belief gives me the conviction to chase my dreams. And as I just said, the third word is blessings. I always keep counting on my blessings. I'm always grateful to the Almighty for whatever He has given to me. जो भी उन्होंने मुझे लाइफ में दिया है, मैं उसके लिए हमेशा भगवान के प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता और अपना आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ. मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी लेना चाहूँगी to thank all those wonderful people who have helped me along this journey and will keep helping me throughout till I achieve my goals and dreams, and I will keep doing that. First and foremost, Yajuvendra sir. Yajuvendra sir ने जो गाइडेंस और जो मोटिवेशन, जो encouragement मुझे दिया है, especially at the time of interview, that has actually helped me to improve a lot upon small different aspects. And that has actually refined my preparation to a great extent. Thank you, sir. Special thanks to Gyan Prabodhini, Vivek Kulkarni sir, Savita ma'am, for all their blessings and guidance. And finally, the biggest blessing of my life, my family. I feel blessed to be born in such a lovely family. My mother is the source of all my empowerment, my courage, my conviction. She takes care of all my well-being, whether physical, emotional, spiritual, and that keeps me moving with energy and enthusiasm. My father is like the lighthouse in my life. He keeps guiding me how to pursue, how to live a life full of values, principles. As I just mentioned, he has recently retired from a 37 years of glorious service to Government of India, and I really get to learn a lot from him. My brothers, Anuj and Anjal, and my bhabi, Pragya, always make sure that I have all that it takes to pursue my dream. They are the constant source of my morale. The point of raising it, the point of sharing all this here is that हम सभी के लाइफ में भगवान ने कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा एक खूबसूरत तोहफा दिया है जो हमें लाइफ में जीने का एक उद्देश्य देता है, एक राह दिखाता है. I am sure each one of you must be having these blessings in your life. They may be in the form of parents, families, siblings, friends, philosophers, guides, mentors, or anybody. And I'm sure Deepstam Manobal is a combination of all these blessings for the people here. Deepstam is that support system, is that blessing that will actually keep you motivated, energetic, enthusiastic, come what may. आप चाहेंगे भी तो आप डाउन नहीं हो सकते. So, I would like to quote here just a small quotation which is coming to my mind right now. Helen Keller has said, "Keep your face to the sun and you will never see the shadow." थैंक यू बच्चन सिंह सर, आपने डिसेबिलिटी की इतनी अच्छी डेफिनेशन बताई और उसे इतना ग्लोरीफाई किया दैट remove all the negativity from your life, because negativity only is the real disability. So I would like to just conclude by saying that be faithful, be grateful, and always keep dreaming. And above all, just keep smiling, just like Lakshmi. And before I just conclude, special thanks to Tejas for that wonderful song. And I just on a personal note like to share that is really one of my favorite songs, and I always draw inspiration from that song. Thank you so much. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे